This is how to install the MRCOOL DIY OuttaSight. Let's walk through the installation step by step. First, open the box of the indoor unit. Inside you'll find the grill panel, cardboard mounting template, and the main indoor unit. Remove the main unit from the box. Then knock out one of the pre-cut covers on the electrical control box. This will come in handy later when you install the DIYPRO cable. Then you'll want to prepare your sealing for the installation. First up, mark your studs with a stud finder. The OuttaSight is designed to be mounted between studs 16 inches apart. Now grab the cardboard mounting template and tape it to the ceiling based on where you want the system. The hole should be 16.93 inches by 51.18 inches. Trace the edge of the panel as a guide for your cutting tool. In this video, we'll be using a reciprocating saw. But first, apply protection for your eyes. With your preferred cutting tool, follow the template markings and cut your hole. It's important your lines are clean and straight, so cut with care. Once done, remove the cut section of the ceiling. With another person, lift the OuttaSight into the opening and secure it to the ceiling joist using the mounting screws. Make sure the louver will face the direction you want airflow to move. Now open the indoor control box. Remove the ring from the DIYPRO cable before feeding it into the knockout hole you made earlier. Then reattach the ring. Connect each numbered wire to the matching terminal and attach the ground wire. Now in the attic above the OuttaSight, connect the drain pipe adapter to the indoor drain outlet, then tighten it. In this scenario, you will need a lift pipe, which should rise 8 to 10 inches up from the adapter, and no higher than 20 inches. Additionally, the distance between the back of the unit and that lift pipe cannot exceed 11 inches. Incorrect installation could lead to excess water pooling at the adapter. Once the lift pipe is at its preferred height, it can slope downward until exiting the attic space. Now remove the protective line set caps and attach the corresponding connector valves on the DIY Precharged line sets. Make sure when positioning the line to bend it into place carefully. Once lined up, tighten the first few threads by hand. Once secure, finish tightening the line set with 2 wrenches until the connection is snug. Make sure to not over-tighten. Repeat the same process now with the second line. Once attached, you'll move the line set toward your preferred destination. On an exterior wall above the outdoor condenser, drill a 3.5-inch hole at a slight downward angle. This will ensure water drains properly. Then, insert the protective wall sleeve. And then run the drain line, line set, and DIYPRO cable through your wall hole. Out above where the condenser will be placed, and pack the wall hole with the supplied neoprene. Now head outside and place your outdoor condenser. Here we have it on sturdy, even ground atop a MRCOOL equipment pad, which is sold separately. Then you'll carefully bend the line set down and set its end beside the outdoor condenser with the DIYPRO cable. Also, the condensation line should be ran outside and away from the house. Now let's connect the line set to the condenser. Remove the water tray shown here. It's important to make sure the condenser's valves are tightened thoroughly before connecting the line sets. Once the valves are tightly secured, remove the caps from the end of the valve. Then align the line set to the appropriately sized valve. And just as we did in the previous connections, start by hand. Once secured, use adjustable wrenches to tighten them until all of the way snug, and do not tighten them any further. Next, we'll open the valves using the supplied MRCOOL Allen wrench. Open the valves counterclockwise as far as they will allow. Do not force them any further. Repeat for the bottom valve and then reapply the caps. The line set has connected the outdoor condenser to the indoor OuttaSight. Now that refrigerant is flowing freely within the system, spray a soapy water mixture to the connection point between the condenser valves and the line sets, and then you'll head back up into the attic and test the connection there. If properly connected, no bubbles will form. If bubbles do form, see the manual for common problems and simple solutions. Once those tests are clear up in the attic, you'll apply the sound deadening pads at the connection point on the OuttaSight and the line set. And then make sure to wrap and insulate any remaining exposed copper piping to protect against sweating and condensation. Then attach the supplied insulation pieces over the sound deadening pads. Install the water receiver tray under the line set, connecting it to the OuttaSight. Now, remove the wire cover from the unit by loosening the screws attaching it to the condenser. Remove the ring from the DIYPRO cable. Pass the DIYPRO cable through the hole on the left of the metal panel before re-securing the ring. Then you'll connect each wire to the corresponding terminal, with 1 going to 1, 2 going to 2, and 3 going to 3. The green neutral wire will be secured by the green screw on the terminal plate. It will be unscrewed, placed inside the green wire's hole, and then re-screwed into the same hole on the terminal plate. And once power is run to the system by an experienced electrician, the system is ready to be turned on. Once you are finished with the condenser, head back inside to attach the OuttaSight panel. Remove the tape and slowly pull the air grill outward. Align the panel and clip it into place. Secure the panel using the included screws. Open the louver to find an additional mounting port. Next, open the circuit box panel. Then connect the display panel wiring to the main board. See manual for the exact wiring. Next, open the display panel cover and insert the wireless USB Smart HVAC controller. After everything is wired and secured, turn on the system by switching on the breaker. The panel display will light up and the grill will rise automatically. Let the system run for at least 30 minutes to verify you have strong airflow and no leaks. And that's it! Your MRCOOL OuttaSight is fully installed and ready to heat and cool your home for years to come. Thanks for watching.